Boots on the ground, put it down, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's five-time best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. Thank you very, very much, my friends. The Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, and your information only. Not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. My friends, I'm an author, I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white so you'll have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. My friends, warn me, my friends, if somebody comes up from behind here, I'm one of these bicycles or something, I'm in a public park, you know how it is, my friends. You got to be careful nowadays. It's holiday season. People want to do this and that and get things the easy way, my friends. You know how it is. I hope you and your family are safe and sound on this holiday season, my friends. I'm in the desert southwest here in America, 12.8 degrees Celsius. It's going to be about 55 degrees today, Fahrenheit. I hope you and your family are safe and sound, my friend. My friends, this is a wonderful time of the year. It's a time for giving, my friends. I hope you are maxing out because you've had a wonderful year, my friends. My friends, with sadness, I say rest in peace to one of our traders, my friends, Big Larry. Been trading with Big Larry for over 40 years or so, my friends. Ever since we started trading, you know, during the dot-coms and all. A long, long time. He lost his battle with COVID, my friends. God blessed him. May Larry rest in peace. My friends, yes, it's important to get your shots and do what you have to do here, my friends. My friends, in a minute here, I'm going to show you how to, I'm going to go over some points of how to choose a uranium baby knockout during this season here, during this holiday season, my friends. I'm going to update the African uranium, give you some tidbits here on the African uranium super trade, my friends. But with a heavy heart today, we do this for you, Big Larry. Big Larry. I hope you and your family, my friends, once again are having a great weekend here and a great holiday season. I hope you guys having a lot of fun. My friends, last video I did review a story about Michael Jordan. Did you see that? Going against Ron Jones and one of my best friends in a basketball game. If you didn't get a chance to review that one, that, there's a message in there, my friends. Get that message. My friends, first, let me start with the African uranium super trade, which I believe is going to be one of the greatest trades of our lifetime, my friends. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you on board. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there. Let me know you're going to roll with me in 2022 and beyond, my friends, because we're going to be rocking and rolling. This is a trade, my friends, that we are going to love very much. My private students are in this trade, and they know exactly what time it is. We have a company already that is contracting in our African uranium super trade. It's going to be a great contracting time. They're trying to get the leg up, and I can confirm that our companies in our African uranium super trade have had inquiries from the Chinese, my friends, and from others. It is going to be on and popping. It is going to be a great year, my friends, in the African uranium super trade and in general in uranium. But my friends, I can tell you there are problems developing in other countries, not in Africa. There are problems developing in these countries. See, Africa, they've been doing this for hundreds of years. You know, mining is nothing new in Africa. It's nothing new in Canada. It's nothing new in Australia. It's nothing new in America. It's nothing new in Southeast Asia or anywhere else, China or anywhere else. But over the last 20, 30, 40 years, my friends, there have been a lot of restrictions put on a lot of companies in those areas, my friends. A lot of these countries have restrictions on this, that, and the other thing. So unwinding some of those laws, some of those restrictions, and companies being able to get their permits and get their licenses and everything they need is not going to be an easy task for some companies, my friends. Some companies may tell you they can do it in 2, 3, 4 years, but my friends, it's going to take a long time. And this bull market and this run up may not last 10 or 15 years. You know, we're going to come down and level out somewhere once we rise up and trade like we're on steroids. it's going to come down. So we believe that our African uranium super trade is the trade of, it's going to be the trade of the century, my friends. It's going to be an outstanding trade. My friends, I like this to like I said, these baby knockouts, and all of our companies at one time or another here in the last couple years were baby knockouts, because I highlighted them in several of the books, my friends. You can go to Amazon.com. You can get how to invest in uranium. You can get some companies. You can get Marijuana Today, Vanadium and Uranium Tomorrow. Companies Get in Early, Hold, and Grow Rich. There's another book out there. Just go to Amazon.com and you can get those books, my friends. But I'm going to tell you here, though, these companies, my friends, we started with like 60 companies, went down to 30. Now, as we look for better quality companies, we look for those people that have done this before, my friends, it's going to be very, very important, because a lot of these little companies, I don't know what, I think a friend of the scoop, Rick Rule, calls them penny dreadfuls, or you can call them, what do you say, the butcher? Did you say the butcher, the baker, the candlestick maker? You know, and he's been saying that. Yeah, it's funny. The point he's trying to make, though, guys, is you can't have, not everyone or anyone, you can't get a banker, together with a lawyer that's been had his license taken away, and someone else to do this. It takes it takes some experience, guys. So that's what he's trying to say. You know, not everybody can build a uranium mine. So that's part of that, my friends. But let me go over a couple items here that I want to tell you about, as far as how to choose a uranium baby knockout kind of wisely during the especially during the holiday period, because as this pullback happens and maybe gains steam or doesn't gain steam, there's going to be a lot of options for you to take a look at, my friends. And some of those stocks, a couple things I want you to make sure, those stocks. So my sister's getting married. Can I come to the, sure, I'll come to your wedding, no problem. This is what, yeah, no problem. My friends, first thing I want you to know about how to choose a uranium baby knockout wisely during this time, you know, and be smart about it. Proven management, my friends. Make sure they have some proven management. Make sure these guys are not builders, bakers, or candlestick makers. You know, make sure they've had some experience in this area. They've done it before, done something like it before, my friends. So management is key. Have some experience there, guys. It makes a difference. You know, have someone, for that matter, listen to someone that's traded these markets before. I'm not saying listen to me. This is just my third time doing this, guys. The third uranium bull market. So I'm not saying it's me, but there's other people out there that you can listen to. There's a lot of selections here, my friends. But we're going to get it right early, like we have, my friends. Also, my friends, the price of these stocks, the risk involved with these stocks. Now, when I did this back in the dot-coms, you know, and I tell you guys, I made a mini fortune there on AOL, trading America Online, whether it was the internets where I was getting them early, or it was the real estate stocks where I was getting KB Home or Lennar. I was getting stocks at $2-3, under $4 or something, really cheap. Or maybe it was the cannabis sector here more recently, where we were getting these Canadian stocks real early. Sure, they've no legislation. They're in the crapper right now, of course. Also, my friends, whether it's the crypto stocks, you know, we got in super early. You know, Riot under $1, Marathon, you know, all these stocks went up. They had their day, and now they're coming back down as the crypto and Bitcoin market corrects. So we've been in the game, my friends, and we're in the game early right now with our African uranium super trades, my friends. But we get that proven management, my friends, that price and that risk, my friends. What's the downside here? You know, we're looking at these baby knockouts at 25 cents or so, or below that sweet spot, give or take a little bit there, my friends. But you know, if the stock is trending in our direction, trending up, and my friends, this is really, really key, my friends, if they have verifiable fundamentals. So trending up with verifiable fundamentals. They're not going to have good earnings or anything. They're not having any earnings. You know, it's been in a bear market for 10 years. You know, so it's not. It's we have to be able to. How do we verify this? What they're telling us, the same thing in the press releases and all. They're also telling the SEC. So when they do their filings and we do they update their quarterlies and all, we need to take a look at those, guys, because a lot of these companies have growth potential. If those fundamentals are verifiable, they can grow, guys. They can go up. Ones that are just blowing smoke, it's not going to happen, my friends. The possibility of them going down is really, really good. Going to zero is really, really good, especially with this information age, guys. They can't snow us because we can go to the same websites that they can go to. There's no reason for being laxed or being lazy with doing our homework on some of these stocks that we plan on making home runs, guys. We plan on making these stocks retirement stocks because these stocks can go up, guys. They can go up thousands of %. I'm saying that, guys. You're talking to somebody that's done it before. So they can go up well, and you can live a good life. Your houses, your cars will be paid off. You don't have to worry about a lot of bills and stuff, and you live a comfortable life, my friends. That's the idea here, to live a comfort, you know. And when I first started this channel, that's what it was about, guys. It was about comfort, you know. But that sweet spot, guys, around a quarter or so, you know, solid, verifiable fundamentals. They've gotten some money. They've added a new member onto their, not we almost added a new, or maybe we might do this or that. We want to verify that it is done, my friends. My friends, size of the project, whether they're in debt a lot, whole lot, and the money in the bank right now means a lot, my friends. You don't want a stock that, especially with an environment where the interest rates are going up, you don't want a stock that's in a lot of debt, my friends, or has done a shabby financing just to get some money, my friends. They need to have some money. They need to be able to raise that CapEx money if they have to, my friends. And a lot of these projects are so pricey, and it's so difficult, my friends, to get to the actual deposit, that once they have their heyday at the beginning of this bull market, they're going to fall to the wayside if no one buys them and they're not swooped up in the merger and acquisition time frame that we're getting ready to go to also here in 2022, my friends. But I expect a lot of things to happen in February. People are going to be getting on board also, my friends, and we'll know. So let's review. Let's look at the managers. Let's make sure they got a little skin in the game. Let's make sure they've proven they can do a little something, my friends. Let's look at the price and the risk. You know, these baby knockouts are really low. Pricing should be low. The risk should be very low. You should only be using money that, you know, we talk pennies and patience. We use money from, you know, dinner. We sacrifice a dinner, a family dinner. We sacrifice a family movie. We take that $100, $200 or so, and that's how we got started with these baby knockouts, my friends. If you're not involved with this in full gear like we are, most of us are right now, my friends. Look at that downside. Also, that when they're around that quarter, that sweet spot, that's the price and risk, my friends. And if the stock is trending, my friends, in going up, and the fundamentals are there, and we can verify them, my friends, we don't have to look at a chart. We know it's going to be going up if the fundamentals are like our African uranium super trades. Those stocks are those companies right now that are in care and maintenance that have produced millions of pounds before. We already know, with a screw turn here and a screw turn there. I'm giving you, this is the simplicity version, guys. Of course, a lot of work needs to be done to bring these online, but it's there, my friends. Whereas in some areas, in some countries, there's nothing there, zero. So these ones where there's something there and they've got to get these mines back up, it may take a little while. It may take 6 months. It may take a year. It may take 2 years. But they're going to be up before somebody that doesn't have anything, and doesn't even have. They're so far out. Some of these companies, guys, I'm telling you, they're so far out. I don't know how they can even, with a straight face, and say we're looking at getting in production in 5 years. You're 15 years away, guy. Maybe even 20. And they're looking at you with a straight face and telling you they're going to be doing something in 2 years. It's not going to happen, my friends. My subscribers have those 7 stocks, in our opinion, that will be going. Let's load up on those also, my friends, along with our African uranium super trade stocks, which some of those are there also. So that's what's going on. That's the skinny, my friends. That's the scoop on it. A lot of these companies are not going to make it. That's the bottom line, my friends. They're not going to make it. My friends, I hope you and your family are having a great holiday season, my friends. Do your thing. There's the sound of freedom right now that I'm hearing. Fighters all around me. You think I'm not in a fighting zone, guys. No, I'm not in a military zone here. But that's a skinny. Yeah, my sister's getting married. I'll have to find out what that's about and find out if this gentleman is worthy of my sister. We'll see. Anyway, my friends, love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Once again, be very selective when you're looking at these baby. Put these low bids in there, my friends. You know, it's holiday season. Somebody might need some money, and they may accept it. Some of the option plays I'm loving. I picked up options this week. UEC picked up options this week on. I think I got some UUs. I got some Denison low options. These stocks, I believe, by the middle of next year, and I'm going way out. I'm giving myself some time, guys. These are not 30-day options, 45-day options. I'm giving myself some time. Like Izzy was saying, Izzy gave himself 2 years, you know. So if you want to go with the leaps, it's all good, you know. Give yourself some time. But we say this is going to happen, my friends. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. It's going to be a great, great trading time, my friends. Next year will be a great, great year. Love you. Take care.